guys, good afternoon. Our meal for today, lunch meal for today, adobong sugpo, spicy adobong sugpo po. Ayan, ang sarap. Ang sarap po ng ating lunch meal for today. Adobo muna tayong sugpo with sili, spicy adobong sugpo. Plain rice lang. Ayan guys, enjoy watching and tara guys, kain po tayo. Maraming salamat.
Yeah.